concept of parameter design and robust design based on the Takeuchi philosophy. Dr. Takeuchi, they explain the concept of parameter design and robust design. There are the three product development stages. First is there were product design, process design, and production. You must be remember product design, process design, and production. 3P. And there are 3P. First is a product design, process design, and production. Product design, process design, and production. This is the 3P. And the source of variation during these stages are noise, that is environmental variables, product deterioration, and product variation. What are the three terms? That is are environmental variables, product deterioration, and product variation. The countermeasure against all these sources of variation are possible only at the product design stage. This one is the product design stage. To achieve desirable product quality by the design by Dr. Takeuchi recommended in a three-stage process. This one is a very important, that is system design, parameter design, tolerance design. What are the three basic parameters, three stages? That is your system design, parameter design, and tolerance design. And this is the diagram. In there our first is the system design, second one is the and second and third, that is parameter design and tolerance design. तो फर्स्ट जो सिस्टम डिज़ाइन है वो हमारा आता है ट्रेडिशनल रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट. दिस इज द ट्रेडिशनल रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट. एंड जो in their Takeuchi there have a work on parameter design and tolerance design. So we discuss three stage. First stage is system design, second is the parameter design, third one is the tolerance design. And Takeuchi is work on that parameter design and tolerance design. This one is the robust design, is the cornerstone of Takeuchi philosophy. You must be remember that three stages. On the first stage system design, second stage parameter design, third stage tolerance design. तो जो सारा वर्क है थ्री स्टेजेस प्रोसेस के थ्रू completed. System design, parameter design, and tolerance design. And further proceed is cornerstone of Takeuchi philosophy is robust design. That is figure in shows this one is a robust design. And illustrate the three design components. First we discuss the also system design, parameter design, and tolerance design. With the robust design encompassing of with the latter two, that is this one. And सिस्टम डिज़ाइन इज द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द प्रोटोटाइप. सिस्टम डिज़ाइन हमारा क्या है? डेवलपमेंट है प्रोटोटाइप का, और इसका यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग इंजरी और साइंटिफिक नॉलेज को डिफाइन करने के लिए इनिशियल सेटिंग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट एंड प्रोसेस पैरामीटर. टू क्रिएट desired output, engineers uses engineering principles to combine inputs of material, parts, component, assembly, sub-assembly, etc. For each of these units, the engineers identify parameters and specify the numerical values to achieve the required output of the product. What are the must be remember उन्होंने जो इंडिकेशन किया कि जो create the desired output, engineer use engineering principle to combine inputs, materials, parts, components, assembling, and sub-assembling, etc. For each of these inputs, the engineer identifies the parameters and specific numerical values to achieve the required output. That is, remember, numerical value to achieve the required output of the product. For each parameter, the specification state a target or nominal value and a tolerance range around the target. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड पैरामीटर एंड टॉलरेंस डिजाइन। यहाँ पे आपने देखा कि जो पैरामीटर है, जो स्पेसिफिकेशन है स्टेट और टारगेट की, एक नॉमिनल वैल्यू या टॉलरेंस रेंज जो होगी वो around the target we set it, and this process is called parameter and tolerance design. In setting of these values, it is useful to set the value so that the performance of the product in the field is not affected by the variability or in manufacturing your field combination. Then the design is said to be robust. Robust design provide a optimum performance simultaneously with the variation in manufacturing and the field condition. एंड टोकाजी जो उन्होंने 1978 में डेवलप किया था मेथड, जो कि डिटरमाइन करता था ऑप्टिमम वैल्यू का ऑफ प्रोडक्ट और प्रोसेस पैरामीटर में, जो कि मिनिमाइज करता है वेरिएशन वाइल जब कीपिंग द मीन वैल्यू या टारगेट। सो हम लोग जो प्रोडक्ट आर रबस्ट, तो टॉलरेंस डिज़ाइन इज सेटअप यूज टू फाइन ट्यून द रिजल्ट ऑफ पैरामीटर डिज़ाइन बाय टाइटनिंग द टॉलरेंस ऑफ फैक्टर्स विद सिग्निफिकेंट इन्फ्लुएंस ऑन द प्रोडक्ट। Such steps will normally lead to identify the needs for better material, buying newer equipment, spending more money or for inspection etc. तो बात करते हैं कि टोकाजी की डिज़ाइन और टॉलरेंस जो डिज़ाइन कंसेप्ट था वो फाउंडेड ऑन द थ्री बेसिक फंडामेंटल कंसेप्ट पर। पहला कंसेप्ट उन्होंने ये बताया कि जो क्वालिटी शुड बी डिज़ाइन और बिल्डअप इनटू द प्रोडक्ट एंड नॉट बी इंस्पेक्टेड इनटू इट। टोकाजी बिलीव करते थे दैट क्वालिटी इंप्रूवमेंट स्टार्ट एट वेरी बिगिनिंग during the design stage of product या process and continue the production phase. उन्होंने ऑब्जर्व किया the poor quality cannot be improved the process of inspection, screening and salvaging. और फिर further उन्होंने there the quality concept should be based upon the development based on the developed around the philosophy prevention, or he proposed an offline strategy for developing quality improvement. And also quality is the best achieved by minimizing the deviation from the target. Quality is the best achieved by the minimizing the deviation from the target. His second concept deals with the actual method of affecting quality, and he started that quality is directly related to the deviation of the design parameter from the target value, not a conference to some fixed specification. बात करते हैं आगे फर्दर जो टोकाची ने सेकंड अपना प्रोस्पेक्टिव दिया था कि बाय स्पेसिफाइंग द टारगेट वैल्यू जो हमने ले रहे हैं for the critical property and developing manufacturing process to meet the target value with the little deviation, with the little deviation the life uh, the life expectancy of the product may be improved considerably. सेकंड उनका क्या था, सेकंड ये था कि क्वालिटी जो है वो बेस्ट अचीव्ड होगी बाय द मिनिमाइजिंग द deviation from the target. एंड द थर्ड टोकाची का जो बेसिक पैरामीटर था, जो बेसिक उन्होंने ये माना कि जो कॉस्ट ऑफ क्वालिटी होगी वो शुड बी मेजर्ड एज अ फंक्शन ऑफ डिविएशन फ्रॉम द स्टैंडर्ड एंड लॉसेस शुड बी मेजर्ड सिस्टम वाइड। तो द कॉस्ट ऑफ क्वालिटी शुड बी मेजर्ड एज अ फंक्शन of a deviation from the standard and losses should be measured system wide. His third concept calls the measuring deviation from a given design parameter in terms of overall life cycle. It must be remembered that overall life cost of the product, and also yeah, these costs would be include the cost of scrap हो गया या रीवर्क हो गया, इंस्पेक्शन हो गया, रिटर्न्स हो गया, वारंटी हो गया, सर्विस कॉल्स एंड और प्रोडक्ट रिप्लेसमेंट. Or these costs provide guidance regarding the major parameters to be controlled. And further Tagogi methods incorporate करता है use of statistical technique, जिसमें कि statistical methods are intended as a troubleshooting या slash problem solving tools in the early stage of the product development cycle. साथ ही साथ beside the control variables which are dealt with the statistical process control SPC, Tokachi methods enables करता है engineers designers की वो identify कर सके noise variable and also which is not controlled can be affected product manufacturing and performance also. Tokachi philosophy also continuity will strive to reduce the variation around the target value and a product under investigation maybe exhibit a distribution that has been mean value effect different from the target value. And also the first step towards the improving quality is to achieve a population distribution to close the target value. This is important, that is the target value as a possible target value as a possible to achieve the uh, Tokauchi design experiment using the specially constructed table known as a orthogonal array जिसको हम बोलते हैं शॉर्ट में OA. This is a very important, that is a orthogonal array. इन देयर हैव ऑर्थोगोनल एरे द यूज ऑफ दिस टेबल्स मेक द डिजाइन. तो ये जो ऑर्थोगोनल एरे है इसका हम लोग यूज करेंगे, टेबल बनाएंगे और उसमें डिजाइन ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट यानी DOE का यूज कर पाएंगे वेरी इजी एंड कंसिस्टेंट. अगर ऑर्थोगोनल एरे नहीं बना पाएंगे तो हम लोग डिजाइन ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट हमारे लिए कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होगा. तो जो इसका सेकंड ऑब्जेक्टिव है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोडक्ट टू कंफर्म टू एन आइडियल वैल्यू is to reduce the variation is scattered around the target value. This is the, remember, that is the, we have discussed already, target value. This one is the target value through the use of what he called outer array. Tokauchi devised an effective way to study etc with the least number of repetitions, and the end result is robust design affected minimally by the noise factor. तो बेसिकली थ्री टकाजी ने जो यहाँ पे जो उन्होंने बात करी थी कि पहले बात करी थी जो कंसेप्ट पैरामीटर और डिज़ाइन एंड रबस डिज़ाइन में, और जो उन्होंने प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी अचीव की थी बाई टकाची ने, उन्हें सिस्टम डिज़ाइन, पैरामीटर डिज़ाइन और टॉलरेंस डिज़ाइन पर. और फिर हमने सिस्टम डिज़ाइन, पैरामीटर डिज़ाइन में बात की, और फिर उनके तीन जो बेसिक कंसेप्ट थे, क्वालिटी शुड बी डिज़ाइन एंड बिल्ड अप इनटू द प्रोडक्ट एंड नॉट बी स्प्लिट इनटू ऑन इट. Second, quality is best achieved by minimizing the deviation from the target. And third one is the cost. Quality should be measured as a function of deviation from the standard, and the losses should be measured by the system widely. So these are the three fundamental concepts of Tokauchi.